In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Salesforce Inspector to export and import data within your Salesforce environment. This tool is particularly helpful for managing large data sets, allowing for seamless data manipulation and organization. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for Salesforce Inspector. This is a critical first step because this tool will serve as your main interface for data export and import activities within Salesforce. Once you've installed it, a small grey arrow icon will make its appearance on the right side of your Salesforce screen. This is your new best friend for all data tasks. Next, you'll want to click on this Salesforce Inspector icon. It will expand and reveal several options. For now, we're focusing on data export. This selection directs you to a page where you can begin exporting your data. At this stage, you need to specify the object you want to work with, which might be an account, a contact, an opportunity, or any custom object that suits your needs. Now, to tailor the dataset to your specific requirements, you can use a SOQL query to filter the data. If you're looking to export everything, simply leave this field blank. Once you're satisfied with your selections, go ahead and click Export. Instantly, the data will display in a table below, offering various formats for your convenience. You have the option to copy your data in Excel format, CSV, or even JSON, depending on what best fits your subsequent tasks. Once you've copied your desired format, paste it into your Excel file or whatever platform you're using for further data manipulation and analysis. It's that simple. Now let's shift gears towards data import. Return to Salesforce and click the Salesforce Inspector icon once more. This time you'll select the Data Import button. With this option, you'll be able to paste your data directly into the Inspector's data editor. This is particularly useful if you've made numerous or complex modifications to your dataset. Moving forward, it might be necessary to map the fields of your data to the corresponding fields within Salesforce. Ensuring this mapping is accurate is crucial for maintaining data integrity and preventing errors during the import process. For the next step, choose the operation you wish to perform. This could be an insert, upsert, or update, depending on the required action for your data. Finally, click Import to initiate the process. As the import progresses, review the success and failure counts provided by the inspector to verify that everything has imported correctly. You might want to confirm the import by checking Salesforce directly, just to make sure everything is as expected. And there you have it, a straightforward, efficient method for exporting and importing data using Salesforce Inspector. This tool simplifies the task of handling complex data sets within Salesforce, making your workflow more efficient and your data management more effective.